Our forecast with meteorologist Damon Matson checking in, and it's a bit windy, Damon, but thankfully that sun is out.
Yeah, we're trying to just balance things out. I think a little bit of that wind, a little bit of that sunshine. It's not all that bad, at least for now. But as we head into the night, we'll be feeling the effects of the chillier air this wind certainly brought in. And there you go. We are remaining rather blustery out there. Wind gusts aren't quite as strong as they were earlier in the day. But look at Leesburg, gust up to 31 miles per hour within the last 10-15 minutes. D.C. around 25 miles per hour, and that's pretty much what the majority of the region is feeling. But as we move along with each passing hour heading into the overnight, we should finally see those winds let up for a very brief bit of time. Go figure, they'll be back again here soon. Now, there are the temperatures. You can see sort of the color divide right across our map here down to the south and east from D.C. and Manassas across much of southern Maryland into parts of Virginia there. We did make it into the upper 60s, but you notice this little bit of a more yellow shade with some green mixed in. It barely got back into the lower 60s up toward Cumberland, Kaiser, Winchester, and Martinsburg. So you went farther north and west. It was tough to find any sort of warmth. And a big time reason for that, well, we did clear things out quite a bit as compared to last night. There was more sunshine down to the south and east, hence the slightly warmer temps. But we did have some clouds hanging about across the northern half of the area. Those are now starting to finally break up, but the key thing here is that where we did have more of that cloud cover, the temperatures just couldn't quite bounce back as we saw in a few other spots. And speaking of which, hey, tonight we're going to see those readings tumble off pretty quickly here, with most of us ending up in the upper 30s, low to mid 40s. So a chilly start to our Tuesday morning, but this chilly burst of air is not lasting very long. Tomorrow, as a matter of fact, we make another run back up into the lower and middle 70s. A little bit of warmth added right back in because, well, we are sitting in between cold fronts. As we say goodbye to the front that swept through this weekend, we welcome in the next down the line here that's back over the Great Lakes in the Midwest. So yeah, tonight it's calmer, it's clear. We're not really going to have a lot going on. But as we head into the day tomorrow and this next front approaches, southerly winds will ramp up, pulling in some of that slightly warmer air for a very brief bit of time. But this cold front will already be sweeping in tomorrow afternoon, putting an end to those warmer temperatures. And at the same time, it will also bring the chance for a few spotty showers tomorrow evening into Tuesday night. But as compared to what we just went through on Sunday night, this is not going to be much of a rain maker at the end of the day here. It will then depart off to the east as we head into Wednesday morning. Those showers will be pretty much over with by midnight tomorrow night. And then look at this. We see clear skies with a few more clouds returning as we head into the day on Wednesday with this storm system sort of circulating nearby. But what this is going to do, it is certainly going to keep the chillier air around as we only see high temps in the low to mid 60s from Wednesday onward. Low temps 30s and 40s the rest of the week, and there will be a little bit of wind left over on Wednesday before things calm down again by Thursday and Friday.